Hello everyone. So ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ನಾವು physics objective start ಮಾಡೋಣ. So physics objectives ಅಲ್ಲಿ first chapter which is there in your second PUC is electric charges and fields. So based on this chapter we'll be doing questions which are most important. So these questions will be like ಇದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋಣ. So first question is, when air is replaced by dielectric medium of dielectric constant K. So dielectric constant K ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The maximum force of attraction between two charges separated by distance increase ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, remains unchanged, increases K times, decreases K square times ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So first thing we need to see, so air na they're replacing it with a dielectric medium. So force in medium, how is it related with the force in air? Force in air divided by K times. Okay, so ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು force in medium and K, how are they related? It is inversely proportional. So inversely related. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು increase ಆದ್ರೆ decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is basically F medium is decreasing K times. So it is inversely proportional adrinda, so the answer would be decreases K times. Clear? So it is not unchanged agodik chance illa, increases K times agodik chance illa. Increases K times andre it should be in the numerator. As this is in the denominator, we are not considering it increases K times. Decreases K square times, K square is not there, K square is not there, so we'll be considering only first option. So first option is the correct one. This question was there in CBSE 1999. Okay, let's go to the next question. An electron is moving around the nucleus of hydrogen atom in a circular orbit of radius r. The Coulomb force F between the two is, see, let us write the force here. F is equal to vector form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ F ಏಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಸೊ 1/4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square into r cap. R cap ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is in the vector form. Okay, so here they have taken it as K. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ we'll be considering this entire thing as K. Okay, so this is the constant. So F is equal to K, q1 and q2. See, charge on an electron, charge on electron is minus q. ಮತ್ತೆ charge on nucleus of hydrogen atom do charge of hydrogen atom ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ minus q into q divided by r square into r cap ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ F is equal to minus k, ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಂಡು minus k into q square, q1 into q into q is q square by r square into r cap. But we know r cap can be written as r vector r divided by magnitude of r, correct? This one, so if I replace this one here, I get it as F is equal to minus k q square by r square into r divided by vector r divided by r. So I get it as minus k q square by r cube into r vector r. So do we have this option here? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅದು? So this one, third one is the option, so third one is the correct answer. I hope this is clear for you guys. So we'll move on with the next one. Okay, two positive ions, each carrying a charge q, are separated by a distance d. If F is the force of repulsion between the ions, the number of electrons missing from each ion will be E, being the charge of an electron. So I need to find what is N. So N, it is What is the formula for this? For force is given by F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q, see they're saying Q, both carrying same charges. So Q into Q divided by Q1 and Q2 both are same. Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q. So Q into Q R square. Okay. So I can write this as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by R square. But I need to find N, right? So Q, I can write it in the form of Q is equal to N into E, right? This is the formula. I'll substitute it here. So F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q value is N into E whole square divided by R square. So now it's the form. Now you just cross multiply and you get the answer. So N is equal to F into F into 4 pi epsilon naught R square divided by N square ಅಂತ ತಗೋಣ E square. So ಈಗ N ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. So just send this square to the other side, it becomes square root of let me rearrange it properly. If I rearrange it, I get it as 4 pi epsilon naught F R square by E square. Correct. But ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ R square ಗಿಂತ ನಾವು they said that distance is D, right? So we'll substitute the distance R square as D square. So root of 4 pi epsilon naught into F into D square by E square. So which one is that? So the option is 4 pi epsilon naught F D square by E square, this one. So this is the answer. Clear? Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, comment below. Okay. So every day ಇದೇ ತರ ನಾವು 3 to 4 problems ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋಣ 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so that will it will be easy for you guys. Okay. Okay, then bye.